Restful Readings, Junior Voices, an anthology of poetry and pictures across 4 books, this the second, a first edition, edited by Geoffrey Summerfield. 2 poems by Theodore Roethke. The chair. A funny thing about a chair, you hardly ever think it's there. To know a chair is really it. You sometimes have to go and sit. The ceiling. Suppose the ceiling went outside and then caught a cold and up and died. The only thing we'd have for proof that he was gone would be the roof. I think it would be most revealing to find out how the ceiling's feeling. The Sniffle by Christian Morgenstern. A sniffle crouches on the terrace to catch a victim he could harass, and suddenly he jumps with vim upon a man, the name of Shrim. Paul Shrim responding with "Hachoo" is sudden with him the weekend through. And now a curious tale about toast by James Payn. I never had a piece of toast, particularly long and wide, but fell upon the sanded floor, and always on the buttered side.